Hi, my name is Hama. Today I'm going to show you pengdrop. Pengdrop is an e-commerce solution for selling digital products. It's similar to Gumroad, Payhip, and Etsy. And the good thing is pengdrop only charges you $89 a year compared to others like Gumroad is like 10%. Payhip is, they've got a few other plans, but if you want to get all the features, you've got to pay $99 a month. So I'm just going to show you how to set up, how to use this platform to sell your digital products. I've been selling digital products for 5 years, and I know exactly what creators want. I know what's important to them. So to get started, you just get started here. I've already signed up. You go through like confirming your email, and then you'll get to this dashboard here. So this is where you see your analytics, how many people have seen your products, your purchases, conversions, revenue. For you to be able to collect money, you've got to connect your Stripe account, and you've got to add your first digital product. So if we go to the product section, we can try and add a product. But like I said, you've got to connect your Stripe account to start adding products in here. So I'm going to just connect my Stripe account and then come back. So I have just set up my account. I've connected my Stripe account, and now I can add a product. So go into the product, create your first product. This is the dashboard for creating a product. You've got the general stuff like the main image. You've got the names, URL. So pengdrop is optimized for SEO. So it's really good to fill out all these details. Once you do that, your product will be seen and be found on Google. If you're selling, for example, planners, try and be very specific. So put in wedding planners, animal theme, PDF 2026, and the URL will have these keywords in it. And then you can add in more information, highlighting the H1s and so on. And then you can also categorize it. If you don't have a category, you can create a new one here, add in wedding planners, and it will be visible on the store page. So wedding planners is created. You can select it now. So you're selling it for $10 or pounds. You can also put in a price comparison. It just helps. You can say how many you've sold already, say 20. You can have it as a staff pick. And if you've got other products, you can, on the listing page at the bottom, it says other products bought when people buy this product. So this all helps with getting more sales, also showing trust. The main things are the image. So you can, for example, add any image in here. Let's put a Tesco logo. This is where you add the files. So if you're selling, say you're selling some, again, Tesco logos or planners in our case. I don't have a planner up, but you can add all the files here. It supports PDFs, images, audio, code, fonts, maximum of 1 GB per file and 50 files. And then the last part is, again, like I mentioned, Google SEO optimization. Usually what I do is just copy the product name, paste it in here. You can add a lot more. This is important when you're sharing your product link on X or on a blog post, for example, or other platforms. This image will like come up on there, and then say visible on the store, finished product. Now your product is live. So if you go to your products, you can see it here. The good thing is you can, again, view it. This is how it would look for people who want to buy your product. Or you can edit it. You can duplicate it if you've got other variations. You can share it, copying the link. You can also embed it in your website, which is really good, a handy feature, or you can delete it. If someone, for example, this is your storefront. This is how your store looks like. You can update the about page, the contacts. This is all done in store settings. You can also add in a banner image. So let's just add in the Tesco banner image here. You can put in some words, save the banner text and image. You can go and add in your store logo, the theme, the colors, and the about page. I like to sell digital art. Put in your email so customers can contact you if they have to. And then we go into the links. Here you can add all your social links, your websites, and so on. Now, if we go to the store, like you see, this is the banner image I talked about. You've got the contact information here, so customers can contact you, and this will go to your email, the one you signed up with. You can search for different products. This is exactly the same thing you get with Payhip or Gumroad or Selfie. These are all digital product e-commerce solutions. With Gumroad, you get 10%. You have to give them 10% of your sales. With Payhip, you get zero. You have to pay 5% commission, or $29 a month with 2% commission. So in my platform, I charge $89 for a whole year. They charge for a month, and you get exactly the same features. So yeah, this is an introduction about pengdrop. I built it as a solution for myself. You can see you get the analytics, no purchases, no conversion, zero revenue. Yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you sign up. I built it for myself. This is a problem I had. These other platforms were inconsistent. They had poor customer service. PayHip, I didn't like the design. And also, if a competitor messages these platforms, they take your site down straight away. With Selfie, they're based in Eastern Europe somewhere, and they don't care about GDPR. They don't care about your data, so I don't really trust them. Gumroad has high commissions. So yeah, I've built this for creators like myself. If you want any